welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. And it is paper pumpkin time again. October 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Peaceful Christmas. You can tell by what's on the outside. It's a hint of what's on the inside. And this kit actually coordinates with the Peaceful Christmas Suite collection from the July to December catalog. So that tells you what to do. And then as we get into the kit, we've got our stamp set with some trees. The stamps say, "From our home to yours, holiday cheer, to you and yours, wishing you and your family all the best, peaceful Christmas wishes, Merry Christmas," some snowflakes, and sending you peace and joy all year long. And here is the instruction sheet. It makes 10 cards, 5 each of 2 designs, and it's got lovely envelopes that come with it. Full color instruction to go with the kit. This is just a blurb about the tools that you can use to help you with your crafting process. And then on the back, it shows you the contents of the kit and some cards you could make outside the kit. The coordinating colors are basic gray, real red, shaded spruce, and then the silver foil. So these are the envelopes, and they've got like a silver foil embossed set of trees on them, and then they've got the buffalo plaid on the inside, and they're shaded spruce, and they're all the same for this kit. We've got a shaded spruce Stampin' Spot. And then we've got some real red baker's twine, your adhesive dots, and some dimensionals. Oh, and we've got some sparkly gems as well. These are really gorgeous. We've got some greeting banners. And then we've got our cards. So just 5 of the shaded spruce cards. And then 5 of these. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the glitter on these, but the snowflakes in the sky all over actually twinkle. It's really, really gorgeous. And I love that the front and the back of the card are printed. And we've got some silver foil Noel pieces. And then we've got some vellum trees. These are actually trees. You can pop them out of the vellum to layer on the cards. So there's 5 of those. And then we've got some buffalo plaid backgrounds and greeting mats there. So that is everything in the Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit for October 2021. So stay tuned. I'll do a video for each of the projects inside the box, and then we'll do some outside the box videos. Thanks so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.